You know, kill him, you play with that. Look at the way you are getting. Are you working here? Say this. Go and help your mommy and you. Yes.
No, that's what I'm saying. But there isn't to move. So, can you see this blue house? Just go straight. No, it's not for where?
I want to get to me and you talk. No. You know,
Mr. Adebanjo, among us is the officer. Wọ́n ṣe àpapọ̀ ti pé katapila dé nìyẹn. A wá sọ fún wọn kí wọ́n dé kẹ̀ bá ṣe lọ pàdé wọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ katapila mẹ́ta. Wọ́n jẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fọ́lẹ̀ pé àbá lọ court kò kà wọ́n. Báwọn rán a lọ sí high court. A wá dáhùn pé ẹ má fọ kódà wọn ò jẹ́ kémi gan kẹrù ẹrù mi wà bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n fọ ọmọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni wọ́n tún kọ́ kọ̀ǹtínà mi. So ti yẹ iṣẹ́ àmọ́ wa gbọ́ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ síbi iṣẹ́ ń sìn ẹ̀wọ̀n náà wọ́n bọ̀ pé ká dúró. Gbogbo ẹ̀wọ̀n fọ títí di ìrọ̀lẹ́ ní àná. Bá ṣe bẹ̀ wọn ọ̀gbọ́, àwọn sójà yẹn tún ṣapá bẹ̀ wọ́n ṣapá sókè. Pé apá àti ìrìn kọ̀ọ̀kan pé ṣé kọ̀ǹtínà ibi tí gbogbo á sùn mọ́jú rè é gbogbo aládùúgbò. Òpó lèmi sí 11 years ọkọ̀ mi ti kúrè. Mo tún ṣàlàyé fún ọmọ ní kọ̀ǹtínà mi ẹ̀tún débẹ̀ ẹ̀tún fọ lẹ́yìn tẹ̀tẹ̀ kọ́ lèmi tẹ̀ fọ́ yàrá tí mi kọ́ ẹrù wọ́dúrópù gbogbo àlà bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Nǹkan tó ṣe fún wa nìyẹn o. Ẹni ẹ̀ràn wa lọ sí kọ̀ọ̀tù ẹ̀jẹ̀ nípa akọ́ síbẹ̀. Bí ọjà bá ẹ̀kọ́ tẹ má gbọ́ nǹkan. Mr. Adebanjo, among us is the you see the men too still as in front. You see the men too straight for front, yes.
On the 10th, I'm going to go out. But you will see me gas.
Let me capitalize on the 25.
Máa ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní iye bí àgàsì yẹn wọ́n ti ẹ̀fún wa láyè ara wọn lé wa ni wọ́n ní tàbí bọ́ síta wọ́n láwọn máa pa wá mọ́lé. Wọ́n ní but they actually came for us and they wanted to pay. That's originally from Iyanowo, Ojileru to be precise. Ojileru area, very close to where Iyanowo. So they came around on the 26th of October. To our area, so they don't bring the trailer in. They brought the trailer. So everybody was.
No, it's not trailer. Bulldozer.
I don't know. They use it to demolish demolition of the house. So when they brought it, everybody was like, they didn't even give us any information. Though they've already demolished some parts and they left, they actually stopped and they came back again. So when they came, they didn't even show us anything. They didn't even give us anything. They didn't ask us to go and take our luggage or anything. So once they come in, they just shoot tear gas in the streets, in the houses, in the areas, to anybody, even if you are carrying a child or anything. They don't care. So they told us that they are here to kill and to load. That's what we have been told. So we don't know anything. So they just started demolishing. Even if you have a small baby in your house, they kill anybody. They even told us if anybody should misbehave. So that's the only thing I can say.
So what about the
A lot of things on vlogs and all that, and videos that I've seen, but I was told and I saw a video that one of the part of Oworo, very close to Ferry side, that they've given them, compensating them with a lot of money. They even show that even
if their family they gathered
that they were showing a receipt or a check that this money I've been giving me. But when I go to my father's area, I was like, did you collect any money? My mom said no. So we were surprised. They didn't give us any debt, anything they didn't give us. And they went to Oba's palace to go and confirm, to tell him, he said no. They didn't, that they've given some passport, but they didn't give us anything. They don't even give us anything. Let me just screenshot. They do not give us anything. Anything was not given to us. So why are they not allowing? Why are they now roaming about shouting that they gave us money? They gave us. They didn't give us anything. No. So we are here in the sun after demolition. Everybody was just there, stealing. People are here. They are carrying a lot of things. People that want to carry iron, they are selling it. So that's the only thing we know about. But that money, that competition was not given to us. My name is Aksola.
Not shanty. Our buildings are made of blocks, concrete. The shanty they were referring to the referring area, I mean the jetty area, where they build houses and with plank. And they were compensating them with 300,000, 500,000. Our area is not inclusive. Ojileru as a Ojileru area, Ojileru, Toluwalashe, and Osa Extension. We are under Ajumoni CDA. We are not inclusive at all. Nobody received any compensation. They were talking of the compensation that we should come and fill a form. The form we perceive is not from the government because it was stamped by CDC. That's the joint CDA in Koshofe. So if compensation is coming, it's either from the local government, passing through local government, or the state government. So where compensation is coming through the CDC and the KBC, we are not part of it. So we don't receive any compensation from anybody. In fact, we have the court injunction stopping demolition on Thursday, and by Friday they started demolishing our house again. Despite that, the Attorney General of Lagos State has been duly notified by our lawyer.
So what can you say about justice in this system, that what the judge did now?
Yeah, a baby inhaled this what do they call it? Tear gas. It's not ordinary tear gas they use in our area, the one with pepper. So the girl was choked and died instantly. A small girl. They were just throwing tear gas anyhow, dispersing everybody. Throw it inside buildings to send people out in the night. So that the tear gas landed in front of that girl. She inhaled it and died. And a lot of people are still in the hospitals right now. So what is going on in this country is that Judiciary, they've robbed Judiciary. If the Attorney General of Lagos State can be duly notified that they should stop demolition in an area, and they still continue, because at least when he received the notice, he will pass the information to all other necessary organs that they should stop demolition. So but they still carry on. They know that nothing will happen. So the executive, they override the judiciary. The judiciary has no say in this country again. That is where the hope of common people, ordinary people, in the court. They've now rubbish court in this country. My name is Badewa Kamarudin Adejoni. CD Abedi, chairman, Auxiliary Landlord Association. And
No.
Kale.